Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video for Windows PC. So today I'm going to show you how to fix slow loading folders with green progress bar. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your search option, and on the search option there's search file explorer option, and this is the option file explorer option. Double click it here, and here go to view, click view option, and on top you can see reset folder. Just click here and click yes again, and it will reset your Windows file explorer option. Now scroll down a little bit. Here you can see launch folder Windows in a separate process. Just click it here and click apply and click OK. Now as you can see, my speed is really high, that there is no lag to open a folder. So in this way you can easily fix the slowness of the file explorer. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you, and if this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.